airplanes. Here, listen, we're rating airplanes. So first off is the 747, which is obviously going into flying gold. The Dash 8. And it's a meh. Yeah, meh. And I don't know what that is, but I think it's, I'm not sure. Mm, yeah, it's good. Also, the AC-20. The AC-20 is also good. 767, I think? I don't think it's 767. Yeah, we could put it right there. It's good for now. And then the 777 goes into flying gold. The C-17, it's alright. The A3, no, I don't know what that is. I think it's like, I don't know. Okay, now, a Hercules aircraft or Hercules? I don't really know. Hmm. Yeah, it's alright. And the B-2 Bomb Spirit. Yeah, it's fine gold. Wait, no. Now we're in a cool. And then I don't know what that is. Looks like Taylor Swift's jet. I guess it's a meh. And then I don't know what that is. And then the Airbus A380 flying gold. I hear no one disagree on that. And then the A340, notorious for its weak engines, goes fun to big. 727, yep, going to very cool. And then I don't know what that is, but it's a very old aircraft, so I'm putting it meh. And then that aircraft is going there, then that aircraft, and then the A310 is going in good. I don't know what that aircraft is. And then the Fokker, yes, that's the name. Do not demonetize my video. Fokker 100 goes in there. Then the Tupelo 154, I think, goes in there. And then the Cessna goes in there because it's good. And then I don't know what that is. And then the BEA 146 and the Airbus Beluga goes there. I hear no one disagree. And that's it for all. I will be posting a little bit more next week. See you next time.